Okay, guys, so Lauricenoire reached out to me to do a review on some of their beautiful bags. They've sent me, they have arrived, and it is time to do the review. Lauricenoire is a black owned brand, a up and coming brand, and for the last couple years, a lot of people have been purchasing, buying, showing them off, and now I get to participate. Okay, I get to participate. So I'm excited. I'm humbly thankful that they sent the bags out to me to do a review. I will give my honest review. Y'all know that is just what I do. And I have one of them in particular that they sent. I am thrilled over the moon about, because it is the color that I have been searching for. And once I unbox it, I think it's going to be that bag, because all of the bags on there are tea. But this one in particular is scorching hot tea, okay? And I am excited. So once again, Lauricenoire is the brand. You guys check them out. Scroll while I'm on here chit-chatting and showing y'all the bags. And let's get to unboxing. Oh, thank you guys again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to Mrs. B Lux, Life. I am Sarita, and hello, hello, hello. Okay, y'all. I told y'all we had an exciting video, right? Here we are. Here we are. Okay. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone. Take a seat. Take a seat. Get ready, because Lauricenoire has reached out to me. I have two bags to unbox with y'all. I am over the moon. Let me tell y'all why. Because I watched Liz when she did her unboxing. One bag grabbed my attention so hard, I immediately went to the website. I got off track doing something with Gigi's baby. The next day I get an email asking to do a review on not one, but two bags. Yeah, I had to take it all in. I had to take it all. Y'all know I overreact. But, and then the review is for one of the bags that I was swooning over. Like, so, I don't want to take up too much of y'all's time, but let's unbox these bags. Okay, I don't know which one is which, because let me show y'all the packaging. I love a shopping bag. It came in, I'll show y'all the picture of how it came in the box. And look at this. Like, what? It is a black owned brand. Beautiful packaging. Okay, this is number one. This is number one. Let me move the box. Look, I don't want to mess my shopping bag up, but look at this. This is number one. Let's see. And I'm standing up, y'all, because I have to make sure I have room to be able to do the things. Okay, let me move that there. Okay. So, number one, it doesn't say, but I can see. Y'all, at this point, everyone knows I love a Boston style bag, okay? That is just my thing. It's my thing, okay? From LV to Gucci, Coach, it's my bag. Now, I have added, been gifted. Oh my goodness. And we're going to do just more than a review. We're going to unbox today, but after me using it and everything else, we're going to come back and do a review, because we need to know how everything is, how it's holding up and everything. But I can't believe this, y'all. It is packaged. Now, we know we love a good packaging, right? It is packaged to the gods, okay? Nothing's coming out of place in the shipping. Look at that. Do y'all see that? And then you take it out of this. It has these little cardboard, like thin cardboard, but protectants around the bag. Y'all, this is the Jasmine duffel. Just off eyesight, it is giving me Speedy 30 size comparison, but the red on here is OMG, like a candy apple red. I don't know, brighter than a candy apple red. This is a show-stopping bag, okay? Y'all, And I usually love and rave about gold hardware. Baby, that silver hardware, it's tea. That's required on here. Like what? Oh, and everything. Everything. Y'all know I love factory wrapped. Everything is protected. Yes. OMG. Okay, I have to take everything apart, y'all, because we got to see all of this. We have to see all of this. OMG. And I got to see, y'all know I'll be talking about I need another case. I do, because this has to sit at top. This has to sit at the top. This can't be, oh, in the middle and all. No, this has to sit at the top. But, y'all, it's just looking at the quality. Because, see, the pictures online, they're one thing. But just getting it in your hands, this is a whole different situation. Oh, my goodness. Okay, I'm almost finished, y'all. This is the last one. Oh, I mean, everything is protected. We love that. We love that. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all, I am over the moon thankful. Thankful, okay? Thankful. Thankful. Okay, let's open her. Like I said. Oh, we love a zipper. We love a zipper. Okay. We love. Here's our strap. We ready to be crossbody. And it is black interior. Let me take it out, y'all. Let me take it out because what? What? Y'all want to tell y'all? OMG. There's a pocket and then there's a zip. Okay, there's a zip pocket on this side with the logo stamping. And there's also a pocket on this side. I say for your cell phone or something. It is not super heavy. It is very lightweight. Y'all. OMG. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this. And there's a side pocket here. So if you're out, you want to throw your phone in there. Let me see. I have that case, y'all know, that I keep just for reviews. Let's see. Yep. You out and you want to just throw your phone. I have no words. And y'all know I could talk. Y'all. It's crock embossed. Beautiful. Look, just look at it, y'all. Y'all gotta look at it. Y'all see that? Let me move that phone. Let me get that out the way. Do y'all see that? Let me pull the zipper up just a little. Just a little. Just so y'all can see. OMG. I'm so happy. So happy, so happy. Like, I literally have no red bags until today. What? What? OMG. Thankful. That's all I can say, y'all. Thankful, because this, the quality on here, just to feel it is just, yeah. And it's a good, oh, and y'all know, many love, you can get in the bag. That's just the stuff from the paper. But you can get, it doesn't stop at the corners. You can get in the bag, okay? OMG. I am so happy. So happy. Y'all know I just do a review, but I'm trying to do an unboxing. But we will have more videos on this bag because this bag is tea. This bag is the bag. Oh, ready for summer, ready for travel, ready for the brunch, lunch, dinner, breakfast. Because some people don't like brunch, they like breakfast, and don't bother those. That's, y'all know. Y'all know. But let me open the strap so y'all can see. Baby, everything is protected. I am in protected heaven because I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's look at the hardware and everything on here. Y'all, look at this. Good size clasp, okay? Good size. OMGI. It's adjustable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different. You got options, honey. You have options. And look at the lobster clasp. Yes. Let me just put it on this. Oh, you heard that click? Yes. OMG. Okay, y'all see. But I've also put the strap back in the bag. Okay. Like, y'all, beautiful. If y'all could see it and y'all can feel it, like, yeah. Okay, so that is bag number 1. Let's go to the next unboxing. Okay, so the next one is a tote bag, and it's in a turquoise like color, but I think they call it aqua. I think so. Once again, it's in the beautiful shopping bag packaging. Yeah, it says the tote bag and the color aqua, so I didn't have the color right, but I'll put the name at the bottom of both of them so y'all can know which bag it is that you guys may be looking to purchase. But let's get y'all. I'm telling y'all, I don't want to be too long doing my unboxings, but oh my goodness. Now look, when you see the picture on the site is one thing. The color is amazing. And it's totally different. Y'all know I'm black and brown. That just black and brown, that is the colors that I have in my bags, and I can't call it nothing else. Black and brown. So let's see. And I can tell y'all now, when Ty found out what was in the box, she said, oh, let me see the picture. So I showed it to her. She's already claimed this one. Ty, no. Y'all know I don't like sharing. So she's going to buy one. So, yeah. Oh, and I'll have a discount code. It's welcome20. I'll put it down below, and I'll put it right here on the screen. But, yeah, welcome20. I think that's for everybody. To get 20% off. Y'all, it's so... It's this heavier than that one. Okay. That's oh my goodness. Okay, so let me take the packaging off. Oh my goodness, it's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. Oh my goodness, y'all. And it has a wide opening. Okay, let me finish taking this out. That's the strap. And the dust bags are beautiful. They are beautiful. Okay, so that's the inside of this one. Also, a zip pocket. Oh, a zip pocket on this side. And a regular, is it a regular or a 2 pocket? Yeah, and a regular interior pocket on that side. Okay, let's see. And then this is a swatch. So you can, if you're going somewhere to get dressed and you're trying to find, you take this with you, okay? Y'all, look at that. Now, y'all know I don't be trying to just tell y'all to go out and buy stuff. But if I like it and I have it, I always think you should have it too. This is like, oh my goodness. Okay, so it can go on the shoulder. Now, I don't know if I would use it as a shoulder bag. It's giving me dainty. I'm going to brunch and I want them to see me. I'm here. Or dinner. I have arrived. Okay? Crook of the arm. Or just holding like this as I walk around. Yo. Yeah, this is a pop of color. And summer is ready for me now. Because what? Let's do a 360. Yeah, it's a good size. Let me grab the jasmine so we can look at both of them. I know y'all probably like, you have a favorite already, and I do. I do. The Jasmine. The Jasmine. I'm ready to pack her and go. I don't know where I'm going, but I need to go somewhere because what? Okay. Let me step back so y'all can see. Yes. Do y'all see that? And they both come with crossbody straps. So look, if you want to use this one as a shoulder strap instead of crossbody, have your wheel with it, okay? Y'all, it's the color in they're real pops of color. Pops of color, okay? Oh my goodness. Silver hardware is perfection on both of them. Perfection. So here is the strap. Again, you can use these as everyday. You can use these as travel. You can, once you buy, you do what you want. I don't care. I tell people that all the time. If you don't spend your money on whatever it is, use it how you want to, okay? Use it how you want to. So here we are. Y'all, that color is just, the color is, it's everything. Okay, let me put the straps on so y'all can see. So you can see how the straps go. So if you do decide on this one, you'll see where they go. Okay. You know, on the Jasmine, it goes on the side, comparable to other brands that have Boston style bags. Okay, so here we are. It clips right behind here, similar to another brand that we may know. And look, now y'all know I'm short, so it's a little long on me. But hey, if this was the travel bag and you were like, I just need a pop of color, that's it. Or if you out shopping and you don't feel like holding it no more, because I know that's me. Look, I gotta get in, I gotta touch it. I have to be able to be hands free. So perfection, y'all. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my goodness. Baby, Laurice, Noire did it. Okay? Did it. And there's some other beautiful bags on there. There's a black tote that comes with silver hardware and gold hardware. Check that one out. I saw, who did I see with that bag? Tammy Rowan, like about a month or two ago. And I was like, okay. Look, Tammy. I have the Jasmine. And we have the Anastasia 2 tote. So this one, like I said, is in the aqua color. Y'all look at the details. Look at the color on there. Y'all, pop of color. That's what we love. And then we have the Jasmine tote. Yes, these are both two beautiful, well-made bags. Look at that. Look, y'all can see. Look at that. Y'all know my main thing is always looking at the glazing. Yes, yes. So that is good. Look at that. Yes. And look, feet. We have feet. Oh, we love feet. We love feet. But I want to say thank you again for sending me these bags to do my review. We're going to have more than this review, though. This is the unboxing review. We have a review of after we wear. So give us about a month. Well, give me about a month. I'm talking like I'm a whole corporation over here. But give me about a month, y'all. Come back and check. See how things are going. Y'all see I keep picking up the Jasmine duffel. I'm loving it. Loving it. Look at the handles. Look at the glazing on the handles. Yes, we are handbag ladies in this community. And we love that kind of stuff. Look at the zipper again. Yes. And there's a pocket on both sides, y'all. A pocket on both. Okay, that is it. That is all. Thank you guys for reaching out to me again. Thank you guys for sending these beautiful bags to me. And they're going to be worn. They're going to be reviewed. And y'all catch me over on TikTok showing the styles that I'll be wearing with it. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for commenting, showing love, and subscribing and everything else. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.